Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. We're diving into a crucial topic for anyone serious about their financial success: the 8 money habits that can set you on the path to wealth. If you're ready to transform your financial future, these habits will be your blueprint. Let's break them down and explore how you can start applying them today. Habit number 1. Think long-term about your investments. The first habit is to think long-term about your investments. Building wealth isn't about chasing quick gains or following the latest investment fads. Instead, it's about making smart, strategic investments with a long-term perspective. Consider Warren Buffett, one of the world's most successful investors. Buffett didn't become a billionaire overnight. He achieved his wealth through decades of steady, long-term investments. The power of compounding is a game changer in this regard. When you reinvest your earnings, interest, dividends, or capital gains, your investments grow exponentially over time. For instance, if you invest $1,000 at an annual return rate of 7%, you'll earn $70 in the first year. If you reinvest those earnings, your investment grows faster, and over many years, the growth becomes significant. Buffett's strategy has always been about patience and allowing his investments to grow steadily over time. Habit number 2. Live below your means. Living below your means is another fundamental habit for financial success. It's tempting to increase your spending as your income rises, but this is a common pitfall. Instead, adopt a frugal mindset and keep your expenses in check, no matter how much you earn. Take Elon Musk, for example. Musk famously lived on just $1 a day during his early days as an entrepreneur. His discipline and frugality allowed him to reinvest his earnings into his ventures, leading to massive successes like Tesla and SpaceX. Create a budget that reflects your priorities and stick to it. Track your spending and make conscious decisions about where your money goes. This doesn't mean you can't enjoy life or indulge occasionally. It's about finding a balance. Resist the urge to upgrade your lifestyle immediately with every income increase. Instead, allocate a portion of that additional income to savings and investments. Habit number 3. Automate your savings and investments. Automation is a powerful tool in personal finance. Setting up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts ensures you're consistently putting money aside without having to think about it. Consider how Mark Cuban, billionaire entrepreneur and investor, emphasizes the importance of financial discipline and automation. By automating savings and investments, you make it a habit to save and invest regularly. When you automate your savings, you make it a habit to save a portion of your income regularly. This can be done through direct deposit from your paycheck into a savings account or through automated contributions to an investment account. Automation simplifies the process and helps you avoid the temptation to spend money that you should be saving. Habit number 4. Avoid bad debt. Not all debt is created equal. Good debt, such as a mortgage or student loans, can be an investment in your future. However, bad debt, particularly high-interest credit card debt, can be a significant barrier to wealth building. Consider the case of Richard Branson, the founder of the Virgin Group. Branson has spoken about his experiences with debt and how managing it wisely was crucial to his success. High-interest debts can quickly erode your financial progress and create a cycle of financial strain. Focus on paying off these debts as soon as possible. Create a plan to tackle high-interest balances first and avoid accumulating more debt by using credit wisely. Good debt, on the other hand, can help you build wealth if used strategically. For instance, a mortgage on a property that appreciates in value can be a sound investment. The goal is to use debt as a tool for growth rather than a crutch that hinders your progress. Habit number 5. Continuously educate yourself. Financial education is an ongoing journey. The more you know about personal finance, investing strategies, and economic trends, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Look at how self-made billionaire Ray Dalio has approached learning. Dalio, the founder of Bridgewater Associates, is known for his commitment to understanding financial markets and learning from his experiences. Invest time in learning about various financial topics. Read books, take online courses, attend seminars, and follow reputable financial news sources. Understanding concepts like asset allocation, risk management, and market cycles will help you make smarter investment choices. Stay curious and proactive in expanding your financial knowledge. The more informed you are, the better you'll be at navigating the complexities of the financial world. This habit not only helps you avoid common pitfalls, but also positions you to seize opportunities for growth. Habit number 6. Diversify your investments. Diversification is a fundamental principle of risk management. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, spread your investments across different asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, mutual funds, and more. Take a cue from billionaire investor John Paulson, who made a fortune by diversifying his investments and capitalizing on various market opportunities. Diversification helps protect your portfolio from market volatility and reduces the impact of poor performance in any single investment. For example, if one sector or asset class underperforms, the gains in others can help balance out the overall performance of your portfolio. A well-diversified portfolio is more likely to achieve steady, long-term growth. Regularly review and adjust your investment mix based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Diversification is not just a strategy, it's a habit that ensures you're prepared for market fluctuations and positioned for sustainable success. Habit number 7. Set clear financial goals. Setting clear, actionable financial goals is essential for guiding your financial journey. Define what you want to achieve, whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, funding your child's education, or planning for retirement. Consider how Oprah Winfrey approached her financial goals. Oprah's success didn't come by accident. She set clear objectives and worked tirelessly towards them. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps and create a plan to reach them. For example, if your goal is to save $50,000 for a down payment, determine how much you need to save each month to achieve that goal within a specific time frame. Regularly review your progress and adjust your plan as needed. Setting goals helps you stay focused and motivated, providing a roadmap for your financial decisions. It also allows you to measure your success and celebrate milestones along the way. Habit number 8. Maintain a positive money mindset. Finally, maintaining a positive money mindset is crucial for financial success. Your attitude towards money can significantly impact your financial outcomes. Embrace a mindset of abundance and opportunity, rather than one of scarcity or limitation. Consider how successful investors like Tony Robbins view financial challenges. Robbins emphasizes the importance of having a positive mindset and viewing obstacles as opportunities for growth. Believe that you can achieve your financial goals and stay resilient in the face of challenges. A positive mindset helps you stay motivated, overcome obstacles, and make better financial decisions. It also enables you to approach setbacks with a problem-solving attitude rather than a defeatist one. Cultivate habits that reinforce a positive money mindset, such as practicing gratitude, focusing on your progress, and surrounding yourself with supportive individuals. This mindset not only enhances your financial well-being, but also contributes to overall happiness and satisfaction. To sum up, the 8 money habits that can help you get rich are: think long-term about your investments, live below your means, automate your savings and investments, avoid bad debt, continuously educate yourself, diversify your investments, set clear financial goals, and maintain a positive money mindset. By incorporating these habits into your daily life, you'll be well on your way to achieving financial freedom and building lasting wealth. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on building wealth and achieving financial success. Happy investing, and see you in the next video.